I'm a Jamaican mom. Jamaican journalist mom. And you know me, I got to tell you, my son a journalist. I'm a Jamaican. And you know me, I got to tell you about the old time story. Go down a river, bathe a river, cook a river, play in the river. You know me, I got to tell you about the story. You know me, I got to tell you about go up a granny and rain fall. And me fall down in the mud. And if me walk a red dirt and mud. And 2 weeks in a bed, me foot pain up from left, right, and center. You know, say granny cook some sweet rice and peas, especially the dry gungo, where she have to put a nail in it and the baking soda to make the gungo peas cook. You know when you got granny, you have to go spring for water. And that time you have to make the cutter and put the bucket, lift it up on your knee. And then you put the bucket on your head. Then when we got road and ramping start, we find children to play with. Granny could have wait. When granny call, granny can't see we are come, granny a wait pan the water, sun hot and we left before the cloud a cut. Granny have to use the water that she had store up. You know my granny good pan work in her field. And you know me I go get my mango when me go up a granny. Not to mention the sweet sugar cane, sweet pineapple and the mango. Granny could have sent me brother them with some load banana breadfruit. And that time them have to walk more than how much mile fi come drop off the food. My granny did strong, you know. Because one thing with my granny, she feed her body. That is the Jamaican story. Art of a Jamaican. Please like, follow. Follow me on YouTube, Jamaican Journalist Mom. Thank you. Follow me on Facebook, Cynthia Melody Gordon. Follow me on TikTok, Proud Mother of a Jamaican Journalist. Follow me on Instagram, Cynthia Melody Gordon. Thank you.